Shubhendu for you. And anyone else want to add to that B2B thing question, Menank or Shraddha?
Yes,
Um,
B2B thing. I have actually worked for a company called PitchGround. So we are in the B2B space, and I actively use Instagram. And we have also made some sales due to Instagram itself. So I think B2B point is really good point raised by Ekatma, and B2B businesses should really experiment with Instagram.
Yeah,
Okay. You're already seeing some
that's very
success.
good. Yeah, and a lot of people ask this question like, really, will sales happen on Instagram? It's only or the showcase of what you're doing, kind of thing. Yes, sales also will happen on Instagram. It's not just for B2C, but for B2B also sales will happen. It's the best way to connect with your target audience, like one on one. You can make your funnel flow to the one on one conversations.
Yeah, that's
That
really,
that
really
is where,
important.
yeah,
That's really important. Many people are not getting that actually, because that will actually help to close sales and deals very fast. When you have that
yeah,
one-on-one connection, that's the advantage. And when people are doing marketing, that having a presence on different platforms will also help to have the touch points and finally close a deal. Because in B2B, generally it takes a longer time than B2C. Closing a sale or deal in B2B and B2C is quite a lot of difference when it comes to time span. So
yeah.
yeah, that's there.
I
I
can I
think,
can tell you a quick example. Suppose if the lead generation happens on LinkedIn, and the
Okay.
sales guy in this company has connected with the CX or someone in the other company and generated lead kind of thing, and they are in the lead nurturing phase.
Yeah.
So if this salesperson is also following that the CXO on Instagram, and if that CXO has posted something related to his company on Instagram, that his achievement in the company, or maybe how he had led his team to achieve something,
Okay.
and
Okay.
if the sales guy is like this company sales guy is being human to them on Instagram and giving a different connection over there, and if the both of them are following each other, they'll know at a different level. They'll know each other at a different level, and the comfort level changes in the
Yeah.
conversations, which will make the nurturing process a lot easier, and the lead
Yeah.
is a lot easier. Yeah, conversion is
So,
a lot
you are also trying to share something on this thing. Please, can you?
yeah. So, like I mentioned in my article on hashtag, it's not just Instagram is not a platform for a business where you just say sell, 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 sell. Each post should not be about that. You can really use every single image, whether it's a graphic, whether it's a photograph, whether it's product image, whether it's BTS behind the scenes. You can develop the brand story, and once you capture the audience, they will be so invested in what the ground roots of the brand is, where it's coming from, how it's been built up. So this can work for B2B as well as B2C. And Shubhendu, I think in his question he asked that, do we want picture faces, or is it just an image or a graphic that would be effective? I would say you can do both, because it purely depends on your brand story and what you want to go, what you want to develop. uh, Infographics do really well. So if you're providing value to your target audience, whether it's B2B or B2C, if you're providing value, why wouldn't they follow you? They will definitely, if they feel that they're learning something that you have an expertise in, they will follow you. They will develop that this thing with you, that relationship with you. With engagement, they will, you'll be able to speak to them and have a bond with them. So it definitely I feel any business, the potential is endless of Instagram. You can use videos, short videos, long form videos with IGTV. Short form is stories. You can do infographics. You can do photographs. The potential is just endless.
Yeah.